This is our writing lesson for the week. And so last week we read a book about beavers, and then we wrote some facts that we learned about beavers, which was super fun. So I thought this week we could extend that a little bit, and we're going to do an animal research paper in kindergarten. Can you believe that? We're going to do a research paper in kindergarten. So this animal research paper is something that you get to choose. You can choose what animal you would like to write about and learn about. So if you have books about animals at home, you can use one of your books at home. If you don't, then maybe you could look up some videos on an animal that you're interested in and find out some information that way. So I wanted to learn more about orcas. So I chose a book about orcas. Now, if you would like to use this book as well, since we have it on video, you may do that, but I would like you to choose some different facts than what I write. So you may use this book, but we'll write different things. So on the cover here, you can see that it says orcas, and then there is the orca right there. So we'll look through our book as a way of finding some information to write about. And it says, a black and white orca cuts through the waves. Orcas are also called killer whales. They are the largest type of dolphin. And when you look at it, it does kind of look like a dolphin, doesn't it? Has that same shape. Orcas live in oceans around the world. They spend their whole lives in family groups called pods. So a group of orcas is called a pod. Oh, he can jump out of the water pretty far, can't he? And we can tell just by looking at the picture. We don't necessarily have to read that from the words. So we could also use the pictures as a way of learning facts about our animal. An orca's black and white skin acts as camouflage. Orcas are about 22 feet long. They weigh as much as 6 tons, and that is a lot. They are heavy. An orca has flukes and flippers. So here in the back are the flukes and then the flippers. They help an orca to swim. An orca also has a tall dorsal fin. And there's its dorsal fin. Orcas love to make noise. Each pod, and remember the pod is a group of orcas together. Each pod sounds unique. An orca can hear its pod from miles away. So that's how they communicate and talk to each other. Orcas are one of the world's top predators. Oh, we talked about predators. What is a predator? Say it out loud. So a predator looks for other animals to eat. Each pod hunts as a team. Orcas eat sea lions and fish. Some pods even hunt sharks and blue whales. And there are the sea lions right there. Orcas have about 50 teeth. The teeth are shaped like cones. Orcas use their big teeth to bite and tear prey. And their prey, that's what they have to eat, what they're hunting for. A baby orca is called a calf. A newborn calf can be 8.5 feet long. It weighs almost 400 pounds. And there's the calf right there. Can you think of another animal whose baby is a calf? Can you say it out loud? Excellent. Many calves live with their mothers for their whole lives. The pod teaches calves how to hunt and stay safe. Orcas live about 50 years. And then there's some glossary words. It kind of defines what those words are. And so this was the book that I chose to use for my paper, for my research paper. So I have this all ready to go. To save time, I already drew my picture. And so at the top I said writing animal research. So we're doing our research paper. And then this word is topic. And as I explained last week, a topic is something that you want to write about. And this is the animal of your choice. So you get to choose. So for me, my topic was orcas. So that's what I chose to write about. So my research paper, I am going to write about what the orca looks like. So the orca is black and white. So let's count those out. An orca is black and white. So I need 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I'm going to end it with a period. An. And then I know orca. That's the animal that I was looking for. An orca is, that's a sight word, black. Bull. There's a blend at the beginning. Bull. Bull. Black. And. Black and white. There's a digraph at the beginning of white. White. And then a silent E at the end. So an orca is black and white. Now, I wanted to look back here. So since I have my reference, I can look back. And it said that an orca's black and white skin acts as camouflage. So I want to add that in because I want my facts to kind of go together so that it makes sense. So an orca is black and white. Its skin. How could we write that? What do you think, boys and girls? Its black and white skin acts as camouflage. That's what it says in our book. An orca is black and white. That helps it be camouflaged? What do you think? That helps it be camouflaged in the water? Maybe just that helps it be camouflaged. What do you think, Mr. Grace? Does that make sense?
That is its camouflage.
Ooh, that is its camouflage. All right, so we'll use that. That is its camouflage. Ooh, so how many lines? 4. Camouflage is a long word, so I want to make sure that I have a long line here. That. That is its camouflage. Now it sounds like an camouflage. That's a tough word. That is its camouflage. So if it's camouflaged, what does that mean? That it blends in with its environment, right? So that it's not going to be attacked by other predators that are bigger than it. And when it's hunting, it also helps it kind of be disguised so that those sea lions don't see it coming, right? So that is its camouflage. So an orca is black and white. That is its camouflage. So we wrote 2 sentences here that go together. to help with our research paper. Now, you can choose whatever animal you would like. You can choose to write whatever facts about that animal you would like. It's up to you. And I would really love to see what you chose to write about. I did have some friends who sent me some of their beaver facts last week, and I would love to see what you choose to write about this week. Please send them to me. I'll see you soon. Bye.